Are you looking to get your first client online? By the end of this video, you will know the exact steps that you need to take to attract and enroll your first client online. So there are only 3 key steps that you need to follow in order to get that perfect first client. The first thing you need to do is ask yourself, what are you going to be able to deliver to them? So you want to ask yourself, what are you passionate about? What are you an expert in? It's easy if you're already an expert, speaker, author, or a coach, but if you're starting something out from scratch, ask yourself, what are you passionate about? What can you share? What do people ask you to do as a favor or just to help them? What do you like doing? Finding those passions and then creating an offer around them. So the second key is creating and packaging an offer around what it is that you do. Now, an irresistible offer is an offer where you're actually packaging around a pain point or a problem someone has. People don't like to buy individual things. So if somebody's working with us to learn how to use video marketing to generate high-paying clients, they're not hiring us to learn video marketing, they're hiring us for a result. How can you actually get more clients? How can I get to $10,000 a month? How can I quit my job? And so you want to put together a package, an offer around what it is that you can help people do. If you're helping somebody lose weight, you're not selling the diet or the exercise, you're selling the end result. How much weight are they going to lose? How are they going to feel? How are they going to look? You are selling the after in the before and after. Here's where they are now. Here's where they want to be. It doesn't matter the process. You're packaging the opportunity to get there. And so when you're crafting your irresistible offer, again, built around something you're passionate about, what you want to do is you want to find what is the single biggest thing that you can help somebody achieve. What is the result that they're looking for? And then reverse engineer a package to get there. That's how you can charge higher ticket prices, because when you have a transformational result, whether it be in business or in life, you can charge a higher ticket price because you are solving a problem that somebody has permanently. You are helping them achieve what they're looking to achieve. So you want to create a package around a higher end or higher ticket offer that's irresistible. The way you make it irresistible is build it around the wants and desires of the person that you're selling to. Now, the third and final step is ensuring that you get in front of the right people. Now, if you happen to be in crowds of people out and about, that's a great opportunity to talk to people, but most people aren't like that these days. So what I recommend doing, the next best thing other than going out and talking in person to your ideal clients, is going online and going where those ideal clients live. So start recording videos, grab your phone and start recording videos that you can post on all of the social media platforms. You have an incredible camera right here. You can literally pick up the camera and start recording videos to get clients today by taking what you're passionate about, crafting an irresistible offer, and then making sure that you record videos that talk and speak to that ideal client. Now, there are 4 key parts of creating great videos that are designed to attract high-paying clients. The first is leading with character, actually drawing people in and having them be attracted to the character of who you are. Then you need to make sure that you connect. You want to connect with the viewers, provide credibility, show that you are the expert that can help them, and then have a call to action that gets them off of that video and onto a call with you where you can give them the irresistible offer and enroll them as your very first high-paying client. So those are the steps. Find what you're passionate about, create an irresistible offer around that based on an end result, and then start creating videos speaking to your ideal clients about that end result you can help people with. Then from there, get them on a phone call, walk them through that irresistible offer, and you can enroll your very first high-paying client. So thank you so much for watching the video. Let me know in the comments down below, what are you building your irresistible offer around? You never know who might read that comment as well, so let us know down there in the comment below. And also be sure to share this video with someone else. The best entrepreneurial journey is when you're going on it together. So maybe there's somebody else who's looking to follow their passion and enroll their first clients as well. And also be sure to subscribe, because once you get your first client, you're gonna want a lot more. And that's what a lot of our other content right here on the YouTube channel is all about. So stay tuned, and I'll see you on the next video.